Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So looks like I forgot to do a flip through of my September planners, so we're going to do that today. I have my journal, my catch-all, my meal planner, my wellness, and my social media. I am going to start with social media. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks so much for spending more time with me. So let's go to September. So September currently, I kind of messed up. I forgot that there's a page here, so I did it on this side. These stickers were from Easter Case, I believe. Yeah, and I printed some from Etsy. I really like how this came out. It was like very fall-like introduction to all the fall stuff. And then this was my video idea, so I just did a little page here. Then this is monthly florals from Calvin Plan and my little stickers. So those are the videos I made in September for you guys. That came out really good. Then this one is from Calvin Plan, which is very simple. These pages are the quads from Live Love Posh. I love using them. I think they are so awesome to use. I can like list out my categories, and I at that point I'm not using the dashboard. So this is a simple layout. We have what, 2.5 more months left. Kind of sad, but it's okay. Again, stickers from Calvin Plan. Her daily florals. I love those books. I've been using them a ton. Same thing. Those are leftovers from a spread that I did, so I just used up the rest in this. This is from Easter Case. It's a book called Summertime. If you guys end up purchasing stuff from there, please use Kasha for 12% off. I really do appreciate it. But this is what it came out like. And then this is Cosmetic Plans and Dance of the Dead from Easter Case. And that's my currently page. So that was my social media. Super simple. I like keeping it that way. And then we have still November and December here, and that is it. It is an outdated planner, so I'm redating it, but look how beautiful it is. So yeah, so that is this. Next, we can do my meal planner. So let's go ahead and do that. September. Okay. So this is September. I track Toa's food and then top meals that Alec and I had for dinner that month. So that's kind of where this is. So I actually made chicken rice with green beans for Toa, pork beef with rice and carrots. So he had pretty good meals. And then this was the monthly. Like I said, I really like this one, especially with like all of the vintage stuff. I love this. I wasn't sure how that's going to come out, but I really like how that came out. I think it's really good. And this is my recipe ideas and my grocery lists. I don't decorate that. That is simply functional. And then this is from Boho Dreams from Cosmetic Plans. I thought this came out so good. I love like all of these abstract things in here. I thought that was fun. This is from Easter Case. It's a combination. So I have some washi tapes. I have some sticker books. So that was a combination of everything. And I do like how that came out too. Same thing, Easter Case. And then Garden Secret book, the Secret Garden books. I don't know if you remember what they look like, but yeah, that's what I used. And then on top of it, I also used the Trust the Seeds. There's these girls from there. And then I added some yellow flowers from like a yellow book from them. Yeah, so I think that came out super cute. This is also Easter Case. It's a fall sticker book combined with Fashion Girl sticker book, and I thought that was kind of fun and different as well. And then this is my currently page in here for October. So so far I've made a lovely menu for Toa. So he's been eating beef and rice and carrots, chicken brown rice and green beans, and pork beef brown rice and green beans. So yeah, he's been a pretty lucky boy. He gets um bell peppers as snacks on top of it. So yeah, this was made with Spooky Chic from Cosmetic Plans, and then Halloween Rang Rang is this little witch girl. And then that is November, so we'll do that once we're ready. Next up is my wellness planner. So this one is a combination of multiple planners, so bear with me. Okay, so this is Easter Case. It's called the Fashion Girl. I really like how that came out. I did outside of like everyday walks with Toa, I did all of my goals, which is good. So this is Beautiful Flowers from Easter Case and Live Love Posh Academy. Yeah, this came out really good. It was purple. A lot of you guys liked that one. Then this one is Work from Home Crafty Planner Queen. And then I added this from Narrative Hues, the little clouds over the dates. I really like that. This was Posh Academy, Live Love Posh. I did kind of like a back to school type of thing. And I think that came out pretty good. Yeah. And this was Crafty Planner Queen, her fall collection. I love her stickers, like her girls and her stickers are just stunning. And then this is another Crafty Planner Queen. This is Cozy Confidence. And I added some coffee splotches and stuff like that in here. And I think that came out so good. And then we have October. And then I did some wellness goals in here. And yeah, we'll see how that goes when it's over. But this is from Adam Splendor from Cosmetic Plans. And I absolutely love how that came out. So there's that. And then when I'm ready, I'm gonna go ahead and grab October. So starting in July, I switch planners, and this is the what is it called? Oh my gosh, I'm blanking. It's like Celestial Elegance, that's what it is. And this was Moody, so I was re-dating, and then I still have like I have a year of this planner, so I have July through December and then July through December. So kind of weird, but it is what it is. That's how it just fell. But yeah, I might reuse this planner at some point again. I am really not afraid of using my old planners. Next one is my catch-all. So this one is a chunky one. So this is my currently page. This was mostly made with, so I used the currently book from Mojo Jojo Plans, and then the rest of it was pat tape from Easter Case, like a coffee one and a coffee book. I love this caramel macchiato and vanilla mocha. Like all of these are so cute. Then this is Daily Florals from Calva Plan, and then I used a red lyrics. It's a little sticker shop on Etsy that I used the girls from, and I think that worked. This was still summer, this is fall, so that's kind of how that worked out. This is a weekly kit that I had for a while from Etsy, and I really enjoyed having it, and I finally decided to use it, and I thought that came out really good, like very soft, almost spring-like. That came out pretty good. So I had a birthday at work, I was sick, I had a sushi date, we had a family hangout. It was awesome. This is from Crafty Planner Queen. It's called Book Club. And then I used florals from a printable on Etsy that I had, and I think this came out so good. I got like a new haul of clothes. I did grocery shopping, had a business meeting like on Saturday that I had to go to. So all of these things super, super fun. I think that came out so good. This is Summertime and Autumn Garden from Easter Case. So I use Summertime in here and Autumn Garden here. And I wanted to incorporate like the oranges on both sides to make it cohesive. And I think I did achieve it. I think it's pretty good. I love looking at this. I love like the fall on this side since this is the first day of fall. And then this was full summer still. And it's like leaning towards the fall with the colors. So I picked like darker yellows and like reddish. So yeah, this is full fall. It's Easter Case and Planeting. I combined those two books and that was fun. So I created like a fall little thing. This week I did a planner makeover room, so it took me like a couple days, but yeah, it came out so good. I did post a video for you guys and I'm in love with my planner room. And then this is my currently for October. So as the October finishes, I'm going to be filling this out. But yeah, these are stickers from Wrong. It's her Halloween book. So that is all in my catch-all, just called Moody Florals. And then I have one more planner to show you guys. Well, not planner, my journal to show you guys. So September is right here. As always, this is from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. My planner makeover room was by far my favorite memory. I'm watching Gilmore Girls, listening to So Supernatural. It's a podcast, and then her Tuscan Summer. For that, I did a review, my September goals, that went well. And then these stickers in here are from the tropical book from Castatic Plants. So I used quite a few of her books, stickers from her book in here, a couple pages. And then fall is here, the weather has turned. Even though it's only beginning of September, all of the trees have turned and it started getting very cool. So these stickers are from Crafty Planner Queen. Her stickers are beautiful. You can use Kasha 15 for 15% off for her stickers. I did kind of like a back to school in here as well. I thought that was a lot of fun. Then I tried journaling in quadrants to see how that would go. It wasn't as freeing. Sometimes I had more to say, sometimes I had less to say. So I did not continue doing that after those 2 weeks that I gave it a try. So yeah, so these stickers still from Crafty Planner Queen. These stickers are from Easter Case. And then I did a gratitude list in here, and then this starts October. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you did in the comments, and I'll see you soon for another